Welcome to the video guys. In this video I'm gonna help you solve Mr. Beast's riddle and we are starting right now.
I created the world's hardest riddle, and if you solve it first, you get a $100,000 stack of cash, no joke. If you're the first person to solve this 26-step riddle, you get $100,000 in cold hard cash. Good luck. Go to this YouTube video, it'll be linked in the description, or type it in and you'll get your first step.
Getting to step 1 is easy, just click the link he provided in the description.
Step 1 of 26 for the world's hardest riddle. In the description, there's 10 links. 9 of them don't work, 1 of them do.
And you had to figure out which of these 9 URLs in the description was an actual working YouTube video. It ended up being this one right here.
Congrats, you found the one link that worked. I'm really proud of you, but I need to weed some of you out. Like, there's just too many people still here. So this time, instead of giving you 10 links in the description, there's 10 links on the screen right now. And only one works. Pause the video, type them in, see you there. Welcome to step 3.
This step was really boring, but if you skip to the 6th minute of the video, you will find this.
If you look in the bottom left corner of the screen, you'll see a URL. It's only going to be there for a second. Alright, it's gone. Going back to serial eating.
It was www.paperscissorsmadeofrock.com. In this step, we have to notice two things. This code Q and these little figures which splash every 10 seconds. These are called Morse codes. If you decode this, you will get saveourbowls.com.
It's going to be really easy. I just want to give you some information for step 6, which is after this. When you click the link in the description, you're going to get this website right here. It's going to ask for what country you live in, your name, and your email. And I need your email so we can track you throughout the riddle. Basically, if someone's on step 20 and they copy the URL and send it to someone else, the other person won't be able to start on step 20 because it's going to ask you to put in your email. And if that email hasn't gone through steps 7 through 19, it's not going to allow you to do that, and it's going to kick you back to the start. I don't want people cheating. So it should make sense. Click the link in the description. Here's it on the screen just in case. Go to it, give us your information, and then after that, it's going to take you to an emulator, and that's where things get fun. Like I said at the beginning, do not call numbers with a real phone. Use the emulator. Text it with the emulator. Do not use your real phone. It'll all be there. See you later.
Step 6 is really easy. You just have to register, and once you have completed, you will see this.
Interesting.
This phone emulator you're currently watching me on is the only thing you're going to use throughout this riddle to call or text numbers. So if you have a phone in real life, throw it on the ground, break it, you are not using it. Use only this emulator to call and text numbers throughout this riddle. Anything else will not work.
Once he finishes talking, you will get your third yellow code and a voicemail from him.
Welcome to step 8. What can you put 100 million of in your friend's backyard? Also, Yoda is very cute.
Yoda is the key. Do you remember this?
Once you're deep in the riddle, there's a bucket of Orbeez here. See this? That's Yoda. I'm going to take these Orbeez and I'm going to throw them in Yoda's.
That's it. Head to Instagram and find this page in his following list and find this link. This is really tough. You have to scan nearly thousands of QR codes to find the one correct QR code. Don't worry, I have an easy hack for you. Follow my steps. Step number 1. Open this page in a PC and hit Inspect Element. Step number 2. Copy my code. I have given this in this video description. Step number 3. Paste the code in the console part of the Inspect Element and hit Enter. Wait until you see the term Success. Then open that link. That's it.
Video.
Congratulations, you made it to step 10. Here's a cookie. Interesting. He is eating.
This is the clue. Chandler has a Twitter symbol on his head.
Something important locked to it. On Twitter, Mr. Beast is following a person called Mr. Cookie. Mr. Cookie is real. And if you go here, it will give you another.
Mr. Beast will send you a message saying something like, read this, oh, blah blah blah. Just type CUB in capital letters. In step 13, you will get your fourth yellow code. and again it's specific for you, and a really huge text that is taken from a Jungle Book novel. Okay, let's talk about the key for this step. Go to your mobile emulator and dial the following number. The number is 693-619-7831. Go.
Well, well, well. You are doing good. Keep up the good work. Who do you think is cooler, Chris or me? Well, well, well. You are doing good. Keep up the good work. Who do you think is cooler, Chris or me?
Tick the first letter of all the words and you will get this.
Step 14 cleared. Step 15.
Finally, we arrived at this formula. Going to Instagram and searching for MRBRO, we can find this page. It has 50 posts. And surfing through the posts, we can find this one. Yeah, this one. Oh, no, not this. Wait a second. Yeah, we arrived at this. And this was the thing we saw on the video. And this is our key.
Step 15 completed.
They use these charge
Those
towers
who
to power
watch
the island
Apex
for their...
regularly know this answer.
I understand now. They use these charge towers to power the island for their...
I thought it was experiment and I tried it long time, but it was experiments.
They
At
use
us.
these charge towers to
Step 17.
power...
And for the 17th step, if you have watched Mr. Bean's latest video, the world's hottest and the coolest
Logan Paul
things,
versus KSI.
you will know the answer. And it's moisturize. Does Chris moisturize?
Moisturizer. Moisturizer.
Step 18.
You will be redirected to your mobile with this message. Do you remember in video 0, Mr. Beast shown Chinese numbers? Dial that number.
Press 1 to continue. Press 2 to hang up.
Well, here is the deal. You should neither press 1 nor 2. Instead, you must press free store. But how? Let me show you. For F, you must press the 3 because both D, E and F lies in 3. Let me dial the whole free store.
Press 1 to continue. Press 2 to hang up.
The Merry Wives of Windsor by William Shakespeare. Act 1.
Since Shakespeare attended our call, the answer is www.mrriddles/Shakespeare. Guys, a quick note. If you have some problem like this, then comment me below. I will help guide you. Okay?
Step 20.
In this step, you will be given your 5th yellow code with a word search, and the question is, what should people do? Do you remember this?
And while you're doing that, I might as well just let you know too that If you're not subscribed to this channel, you might regret that if you win. So I would hit.
So the answer is subscribe to Mr. Beast. Subscribe lies here. 2 lies here. Mr. Beast lies here. Here you will get 2 numbers. You have to text the second number to the first number. And this link is just his channel's link. Avoid that. Yeah, text that second number to that first number.
Step 21.
Now click on the link that you received. This is an episode of Apex Season 5, and if you look at the top, it says CC into 42069 equal to message, which means this video had a caption in which it contained 89 words. So 89 into this number 42069 equals 3744141. We should text this, right? Send this number to Mr. Riddle. I repeat, to Mr. Riddle, not to Mr. Beast. Then click the link for Call's favorite game.
Step 22.
To win this game, you have to score 103 points. It's actually impossible. Don't worry, I have another easy hack for you. Step on to the description for step 22. I have a link there. Go there and copy the code and paste it on the inspect element console. And
Step 23.
you will see this thing.
I'm playing the sponsor of the video.
Apex Legend. Thank you for sponsoring it. Anyways, come over here. Jacobs! Carl Jacobs! Okay. He just ran over a
You see there? This is the link. Okay, let me show you how it's linked. This latitude and longitude denotes the place Grand Canyon, and Grand Canyon is present in the backside of the Golf vehicle. And he also screams to watch Call's stream, and you see there the twin is where Call's game was streamed, and if we see the stream, we can find that the answer for this trip is this.
This was really tough.
Step 24.
Step 24 would look something like this. Here, we should press and hold a button until the countdown starts from 0, and we should release the button exactly when the countdown reaches 69. If we miss, then we should start from the beginning. To be frank guys, I lost here. I could not pause this step, so I don't know how stage 25 would look like. But I know how stage 26 would look like.
Final step.
Congratulations on solving the world's hardest riddle. Take those 6 yellow letters you saw throughout the riddle and put them in the box below. And if you're the first person to do that, I will ship this 100 grand to your house. Congrats.
Hit that thumbs up button and share this to all the Mr. Beast fans. And make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss any other video from this channel. Thank you.